Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all the fitness enthusiasts out there. In this video, we'll be sharing with you the best yoga poses for cardio workouts. So grab your mats, and let's dive in. When we think of cardio exercises, yoga may not be the first thing that comes to mind. But trust me, incorporating yoga into your cardio routine can have incredible benefits for your heart and overall fitness. First pose, mountain pose. Let's start with the mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, palms pressed together at your chest. This pose strengthens your legs, improves posture, and promotes deep breathing. Feel the energy and stability in this pose as you take a few deep breaths. Second pose, Warrior 2. Next up, the Warrior 2 pose. Step your feet wide apart, turn your right foot out, and bend your right knee. Extend your arms parallel to the ground, and gaze over your right fingertips. This pose engages your legs, while opening up your hips and chest. It's a great way to build stamina and improve focus. Third pose, High Plank. Moving down to the mat, we have the High Plank pose. Begin in a push-up position, with your hands beneath your shoulders. Engage your core, keep a straight line from your head to your heels, and hold this pose for as long as you can. It not only targets your core but also strengthens your arms and shoulders, boosting your endurance. Fourth pose, Downward Dog. Now, let's flow into Downward Dog. Start on your hands and knees, curl your toes under, and lift your hips toward the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape. This pose stretches and strengthens your entire body, while increasing blood flow and heart rate. Remember to breathe deeply and relax in this pose. Fifth pose, Half Moon. The Half Moon pose is another great cardio pose. Begin in Warrior 2, shift your weight onto your right foot as you reach your left hand to the floor in front of your right foot. Lift your left leg parallel to the ground, and extend your right arm toward the sky. This pose challenges your balance, engages your core, and builds strength and focus. Sixth pose, Chair Pose. Up next, we have the Chair Pose. Stand tall with your feet together, raise your arms overhead, and sink your hips down as if sitting on an imaginary chair. This pose targets your leg muscles, stimulates your cardiovascular system, and increases your lung capacity. Feel the burn. Seventh pose, Sun Salutation. Now let's flow through a Sun Salutation sequence. It's a series of poses that combine strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. By repeating this sequence, you'll elevate your heart rate, increase blood circulation, and improve your overall endurance. Eighth pose, Camel Pose. Moving on to the Camel Pose. Kneel down, tuck your toes, and place your hands on your lower back. Slowly lift your chest up, lean back, and reach for your heels. This pose opens up your chest, strengthens your back muscles, and boosts lung capacity. It's a fantastic way to enhance your cardiovascular health. Ninth pose, Bridge Pose. We can't forget about the Bridge Pose. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Lift your hips as high as you can while keeping your shoulders grounded. This pose activates your glutes, strengthens your core, and stimulates your cardiovascular system. Take a deep breath in this heart-opening pose. Final pose, Corpse Pose. Lastly, let's finish our practice with the Corpse Pose. Lie flat on your back, arms relaxed by your sides, and legs extended. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. This pose allows your body to fully relax and recover, promoting mental clarity and reducing stress levels. Wow, those were some amazing yoga poses for cardio workouts. Remember, consistency is key. Try incorporating these poses into your regular exercise routine to elevate your heart rate, build strength, and improve your overall cardiovascular fitness. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fitness-related content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And as always, stay tuned for more amazing videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed.